For those of you looking to incorporate Google Analytics into your website, we do not put this in our theme because it's not really theme related, right? But we do have a very simple plugin out there you can use. In your WordPress dashboard, when you go to install plugins, just search for Simple Analytics and it should be the first thing that pops up. So let's just install that now. After you've installed and activated the plugin, go to Settings, Analytics in your WordPress dashboard. And here's where you're going to input your Google Analytics tracking ID. Your tracking ID can be found by logging into your Google Analytics account. It's going to be formatted something like this. So we'll go ahead and paste that tracking code in there from our Analytics account. Now this next option is Analytics placement, where to place the Analytics code within the source code of our site. Now I put this option here because some people are picky about this, but really it doesn't matter all that much. Some people would argue that by placing the code at the top of your source code, that it'll ensure that that tracking code gets registered for sure on every page load. Some people would argue that by having it at the bottom of the source code of your site, that maybe your site runs more efficiently. And there's different contradicting theories, and even if you look in the Google Analytics documentation, you'll find contradicting instructions in different places. So if this isn't really something that matters to you, don't even worry about it. Just pick one or the other. So we'll go ahead and set those options and save the changes. Now you've just saved your analytics settings, and you want to see if it worked. Well, if you go to Google Analytics dashboard, you're not going to see any statistics yet, right? It's going to take anywhere from about an hour to 24 hours for those statistics to start showing up. But we want instant gratification here. So we can do that by just viewing the source of our site and making sure our analytics code was placed in there, right? Well, the first step here is we need to log out of our WordPress admin panel. When you're logged in as the admin, the plugin does not insert the tracking code. So that way we are only tracking things that the public is doing with our site, right? So let's go ahead and log out and go back to our site. And now we just want to view the source. And we can see that our Google Analytics code has been inserted at the bottom of the source code as we set up from our dashboard. And hopefully within about an hour to 24 hours, we can log into Google Analytics and start seeing those stats coming on through.